Hi, I'm Syazwan from Outside TV, and today we have a very, very special guest. The first one in our Outside TV episodes, where today we're going to focus more on camping scene in Malaysia. And today we have our special guest, which is Sharol and also Syafiq from Tentang Camping. Hey guys, how are you? Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah.
Thank you for invite.
Our pleasure. Okay, so today is just a bit casual conversation that kita nak borak sikit lah about camping scene in Malaysia. Because these things have been quite a boom this couple of years, especially these last 2 years, which everyone pun tiba-tiba everyone want to start to do camping. You get all the big tents, 4, 5, 6 kind of people. Okay, so since can I fairly say you guys are quite in the scene right now? You guys do product reviews.
We go camping juga. We do review for campsite and a lot of things.
Okay, we have a couple of pointers that we're going to talk about today. Tapi nothing serious lah, just a casual chit chat. Okay, maybe first of all introduce who are you first, and lepas tu we can continue with what is all about Tentang Camping.
Okay guys, hello. My name is Sharol. So this is
Syafiq.
So we are from Tentang Camping. So basically Tentang Camping. If you go to our channel, we do a lot of review, we do a lot of campsite review, product review, and also camping vlog. Basically we are camping content creator. We do a lot of content that related to camping. Betul.
Okay, interesting moniker. Semua Tentang Camping. I mean, really. That name came from where? Siapa yang point out that first? That first name. We're gonna call our group Semua Tentang Camping.
Yeah.
But it's very straightforward, but quite nice.
Sebab Tentang Camping, kalau kita tengok Asia lah, yang jiran-jiran kita lah, Singapore, Indonesia. So nama tu semua orang boleh tahu lagi kan. Kalau you tak translate pun,
Diorang boleh faham.
Brunei semua dia boleh faham.
Easily understand.
Understand.
It was started with how many people? Is it just 2 of you? Or?
Basically Syafiq. Syafiq started doing this by reviewing barang-barang dia.
Okay, his own stuff, like some personal product.
Yeah, his personal stuff lah. And then actually, what he did at first is doing a lot of hobby. He start with the aquascape.
Okay.
He do.
Fish guy lah.
So dia buat review untuk aquascape. Dia buat highlight untuk aquascape semua, then dia upload to YouTube.
Okay.
So people are interested to know Syafiq punya hobby.
Okay.
At one point, tiba-tiba Syafiq going to camping. So dia review a lot of his camping stuff lah. Starting with lantern kan. Macam-macam lah. And then
Stand actually banyak.
He asked me to join his review. So we do a review of a few lanterns. My lanterns and his lantern. So kita kumpul. Then we started to do review for camp tent. Lepas tu campsite yang invite. Then we did like
go campsite and invite you guys
we
to
do campsite review.
Is it for campsite review or how?
They give like a chance for us to come there and then do like simple highlights of their place lah, just to promo lah. Because during the time, they need a promotion to people to know their place, to know their the most engaged punya video. It reached almost 200k views, right? Dan lepas tu memang banyak like orang macam tengok content from STC, from Indonesia, Thailand, Brunei. So basically Asia lah for now.
Okay, interesting. So usually how often do you guys go for camping? Is it just 2 of you, or you have your own teammates yang macam every weekend we have to go together to go camping? How often do you go for camping?
Depends.
For
now depend lah.
Basically we go with anyone that free. We just invite some friends. If you want to go to the campsite ke mana-mana nak pergi camping, just follow. Because always biasanya camping ni dia jadi bila camping last minute lah. Kita plan last minute, so akan jadi. Yang camping berbulan-bulan belum tentu. Ataupun nak rasa aku stress, I need to go camping, I need to chill. So last minute lah. Aku macam hari ni aku habis kerja, nak lah. Okay, so pergi camping lah. Syafiq, aku nak pergi camping Syafiq. Cuma pergi camping.
Interesting.
Lepas tu Syafiq, okay, jom ons pergi. Tapi sekarang tak ada susah lah. Which dia dah kahwin.
Okay.
Dia kahwin.
Family man lah, family man.
But what I respect about him, dia still kadang on je. We go to camping together. That's why lah we say it depends on the people that I want to ask. If kalau macam aku nak pergi, aku tanya kawan lain, kalau dia tak pergi, dia nak I just go alone.
Okay.
I can go alone.
Okay. You mentioned about stress just now, like
Yeah.
how high a stress that you need to be.
Okay. We
Macam,
both,
I cannot lah. Every day already I need to go camping.
we both working in a creative punya
Scene.
scene lah, industry, creative industry. Syafiq is a videographer.
Okay.
I'm a graphic designer.
Okay.
So to be honest, working in creative industry, hari-hari stress lah.
Understand.
Yeah, we just need to find some attraction,
Understand.
distraction lah. Some distraction for us to like get a weekend getaway. That's all. Nak cakap setahap mana stress tu, everyday stress lah. Kalau boleh hari-hari pergi.
Okay. So fairly, you can easily say that almost every week lah you guys go out for camping.
Yeah.
So
Either going for camping or going for picnic. That's what makes us like constantly look active on social.
Okay, on socials, which platform do you guys always use it?
Okay.
TikTok or Instagram?
Instagram and TikTok.
Oh, okay. Between Instagram and TikTok, which one is the best?
I think
Instagram.
Instagram.
Camping has been a boom lah in Malaysia. I think this one everyone can agree on. Especially
It was a trend.
Yeah, it's getting more of a very big trend right now.
Yeah.
Especially during quarantine period, the MCO period, where we start to see people, everyone pun nak pergi camping, like start to buy their own tent, buy their own chairs. Those who never go for camping also go for camping. So it was very, very popular during the COVID time. So how do you see this trend in the coming years? I mean, since you guys seems to be very serious in this scene, do you think it's going to fade out in maybe a year or two, or you think it will maintain as what it is now, or it's going to get bigger? What do you guys think?
My personal view is dia ada naik turun. Dia ada naik turun. But now it's picking back. I think which everyone going camping again. And then most of the one that going for camping is family lah. Then it's not the trend anymore. Everyone like macam pergi mana-mana dia orang ada rasa it's one thing to replace yang macam ada orang ada family yang tak mampu nak pergi bercuti. So camping is the most affordable getaway. Jadi
depends. Sometimes a tent can cost quite expensive, 3,000-4,000 lah.
Beli tent yang murah dulu. So aku rasa benda tu dia ada naik turun.
Okay.
Naik turun.
But will it fade in the coming years? To your
I
point of
think
view?
next year dia akan naik balik.
Ada naik balik lah.
So this year is a bit slow down lah.
Slow sebab lagipun sekarang dah boleh travel semua.
Okay.
It depends juga.
Okay, understand. So do you guys a camper before the trend, or you guys become a camper when the trend start?
Actually before the trend. But time tu apa yang ada lah.
But seriously after COVID lah. Sebab before COVID memang kita ada pergi camping. We go with a bunch of friends, Syafiq punya friends, and then my friends. We go to a camping first campsite at mana? Petak. So it was a moment yang macam kita orang nak tahu how living in wild lah. Maksudnya kita nak rasa macam di camping yang wild lah. Tiba-tiba COVID pula, baru nak aktif. Banyak planningnya. Kita nak pergi camping dekat wild, kita nak pergi motor camp. Last time kan, banyak planning kita. But it was all before COVID. Then COVID. And then after COVID, it's not like we riding the trends. But after that, kita orang macam, oh, this is the time that we need to fulfill what we have planned before.
Okay lah, bukan poser lah.
Poses sikit lah. But we have vision lah last time. When we did this, we want to do, kita go camping, aku nak buat satu yang macam lain daripada yang lain. Aku nak tunjuk yang camping scene ni berbeza last time tu je lah. Sebab during COVID sendiri, sebab awal-awal sebelum COVID dah ada minat nak camping. Tapi masa COVID tu, kita orang like explore a lot of brands. Macam, kita beli barang ni, order tabau, kita beli barang ni. Lepas tu kita orang explore campers from Japan, Thailand apa semua kan. Jadi daripada situ
inspire dari sana.
Okay, so to your opinion, what do you think is the key factor that sparked the camping trend in Malaysia? Because it was not a thing, before. Tiba-tiba everyone be a camper. What is the key factor to you guys?
Training.
Yalah. Tapi ceritanya, okay, aku rasa sebab last time after COVID lifted kan, orang tak boleh travel lagi. So they just can go nearby lah. So orang camping lah, activity tu je lah.
You mentioned about campers outside of Malaysia, Thailand, Japan, Korea, Taiwan, all these people from all these countries. What is the major difference that you guys think for campers who are in the other countries, especially this country that we mentioned, compared to Malaysia? What are the main difference you see that, or maybe they have, we don't have, or what do you think?
It just
Or is it their gears like more expensive? Macam Korea use like 4,000 ringgit then.
tak ada lah. Dia is not about barang tu. It's about how we make the culture look nice. Camping culture last time, it's not like aku nak cakap yang dulu Malaysia punya camping ni macam
Loya sangat.
koyak sangat, adalah koyak sangat. Tapi
Ada standard dia. Got standard je lah.
kita suka benda yang estetik.
Okay.
So we macam tengok camping-camping luar ni macam this kind of camping boleh buat estetik juga tu. Kau camping
Satu lagi style dengan konsep lah. Contoh macam Chums kan, dia lebih kepada colour dia. So ada orang yang minat yang macam tu. So kalau macam estetik pula, ada orang yang minat satu colour. Dan ada orang minat black cam pula, betul tak? Yang satu.
It depends on the aesthetic of what you're looking at lah. For you guys, what do you prefer? Do you prefer like Chums kind of look or black kind of look? There are people who are going into that colours, into that theme. Or do you guys like interchange every this week maybe we go for black, maybe next week we go for beige?
Kalau tanya I lebih prefer yang variety of colour. Just set up boring juga.
True. Personally, I think there's too many black lah.
Dia ada satu time tu yang semua minat hitam.
Yes, correct.
So
correct.
I have to admit that I was like all black campers juga before this.
Thank you for everything.
But at one point, kenapa aku rasa macam aku ubah sikit lah. Because all my barang semua sekarang, dulu beli start barang semua nak hitam. And then at one point aku macam dah tahu, aku dah tahu nak ambil barang dah susah nak masuk. And I venture tu nada macam sebenarnya boleh dia kacuk colour kaki, sekarang beige, boleh dia campur-campur. But now macam Chums, macam korang cakap dia Chums kan, yang menarik dia colour dia. But doesn't mean that I cannot use like a black tent dengan kerusi merah. So cakap tak boleh kan, set up je lah.
It depends how you mix and match lah.
Yeah, mix and match. That's why I cakap inspired by luar juga, kita belajar cara nak set up, cara nak susun. Sebab ada juga few camper yang memang kalau dia orang set up 6 jam juga dan set up, memang macam tak rumah.
Okay.
Tapi start.
You guys also do product reviews, especially tents and a couple more gears, camping gears. What do you think the most suitable tents that we can use in Malaysia? I mean, because family tents are not something like like our hiking trekking those lightweight kind of tent. To you guys, what are the suitable tents that we can use in Malaysia kind of climate? For hot, humid. Because there are tents that use nylon material. There are tents that use canvas. A lot more lah. So what sort of tents that you think suitable for maybe some beginners want to use in Malaysia? Or okay, but brand aside.
If you have tent from Japan,
Okay.
Because dia punya environment tu still okay, depends compared to Australia and US.
Europe punya tent apa semua berbeza lah. Lain tempat dia punya ni kan material dia lagi tebal untuk tempat sejuk. Malaysia is macam Japan, we still can use lah. Then what suitable for us is I think nylon with UV lah. Is already okay lah. Nylon with UV, at least UV lah, sebab kita punya cuaca panas. We need something to reflect the heat. That's all. Kalau daripada segi
features, what do you think about features?
Features, kalau
should they come with a big awning a big fly, or should the fly come separately? Can fit 5-6 people. What sort of features I think fits?
Depend setup jugalah.
Betul.
Ada yang suka separate tu, dan ada yang suka sekali dengan tent. So for me better separate.
When you first start getting serious with camping, what is the first serious tent that you guys bought?
Aku DOD lah.
Oh, okay.
Rich
guy.
Tak.
DOD is not cheap. This guy goes, I start my camping with DOD.
I start with a tent from Giant.
Okay.
Okay,
humble lah.
We explore the brand. During time orang tak berapa tahu sangat pasal DOD.
Dan tu dah serious sikit kan, so nak cari yang quality.
Yang berkualiti lah. But yeah, tent sama je kat Malaysia. But you need to do some research. Tent apa yang susah. Blog apa something macam tu. Tapi apa? Serius? Kemah tau?
Yang serius kemah.
Kemah, a tent that you're serious lah.
Coleman.
Oh, Coleman lah. So, one person DOD, the other person Coleman. These are not cheap tents, you know. Since you guys camping quite often, campsites in Malaysia, pros and cons in general that you think?
Facility.
Yeah, in facilities, in space.
First bagi tandas kena proper lah.
Okay.
Dia punya toilet kena proper.
Toilet facilities.
Aku cakap dari segi bukan I sebagai camper saja. Kalau orang yang first time, so mesti dia nak cari first lesson dulu.
Comfort
Itu kalau campsite lah, kita tak cakap pasal white camping ke apa. Betul.
You, Syafiq? What do you think?
Macam aku, I think privacy lah. Orang ada campsite yang ada privacy.
Pun betul juga sebab ada campsite yang terlalu pack, dia nak masukkan satu masa.
It's not like I'm not okay with kids ke apa, I'm okay with kids, but sometimes yelah kita pergi
Kids annoy you?
No! I love kids.
You like kids?
I love kids.
You have your own kid?
I know.
Soon lah.
Yeah, soon. Tapi for me just sometimes we need privacy time lah.
Okay.
We just want to enjoy. Lepas tu tak okay lah, kita macam nak lepak. Lepas tu we need like macam kadang-kadang kita nak mandi sungai macam buka baju kan.
Tapi kadang-kadang kalau camping pun kadang-kadang kita tidur pun lambat betul lah. So kita melebar kan.
Takut kacau orang
family juga.
Betul, takut kacau family. Itu je.
It depends lah.
So privacy and toilet facilities lah to be good. I think this quite general lah. Because you use space, you need some comfort. Anyway, you pay for the space.
Yeah.
Any do's and don'ts on campsite? Like what you should do, what you shouldn't do. Like maybe karaoke in 11 PM or so because there are cases, you know, you go to a campsite, you pay for it, then suddenly someone maybe like 10 steps from you start to have their own karaoke session, you know. Tino Liza
pernah.
Noazin lah, you know, so that kind of do's and don'ts that you should.
Maybe after 11
curfew time lah.
For me sampah. Sebab ada pernah jadi sampah dia berselerak. Ada campsite yang ada anjing kan. So dia mesti cari punya sampah tu. Then tomorrow confirm berselerak.
We need to care of our trash lah.
Mungkin price kot.
Sensitive. We are on sensitive issue right now, pricing.
Aku tak boleh nak control apa dia cakap sekarang.
Pricing.
It's being honest guys.
Yeah.
Being honest guys.
Pricing is a very sensitive issue, but it's something you have to be talked about lah.
Yeah, betul.
I'm not a camper myself, but I do hear around that campsite price tend to be a bit on the high side. Price. What do you guys think?
I okay dengan price yang mahal.
Okay.
Tapi ada, I tak kisah dia price mahal tapi facility dia bagus.
Okay.
Tapi ada yang mahal dan facility dia tak ada jaga sangat.
Have to be top notch lah.
Yeah.
If you pay for a high price, then you will be expecting a good facilities. What were you sure?
Aku nak yang murah.
We go.
Sebab kita pergi sekejap je, over the night. Tapi kadang-kadang macam tempat tu dia tak jaga. Kebersihan tu satu juga. Kebersihan kan. Rumput tak potong apa semua kan. So macam mana kan kita nak enjoy the moment. Banyak aspek lah dia kena jaga. Keselamatan. Kadang benda-benda tu kan kadang tak bersih. Kita tak tahu apa yang ada kan. Kita takut juga kita camping, takut keluar. ular ke apa kan. Kadang benda yang quite dangerous for us lah. I think. So benda tu dia need to
price have to be on par with what you are getting.
Yeah.
Sharol, any tips?
For me, safety lah. Then about safety lah, macam mana kau nak menjaga diri. In terms of keselamatan diri, emergency punya skill. Contoh macam you need to always prepare to be yalah kalau nak face survival punya.
At least basic lah. Sebab last time kita pernah kan yang even dalam campsite tapi di pokok tinggi-tinggi kan. So ada dahan jatuh. So at least tahu basic untuk how to
basic info on where to camp, what to bring, if you go to a camping site, how to pick your spot, that kind of thing lah.
Betul. Banyak lagi. Macam yalah, we need to tahu macam bantuan kecemasan.
The rest DM lah. DM on Instagram lah.
Instagram if you want to know more tips.
Sorry lah guys, they are lost now. You can DM them later. It's at somewhere that camping. If you need more camping tips, yes. Any last words from you guys before we end our sema camping?
First, we would love to say thank you for our outside.
No problem. Our pleasure.
Thank you for recognizing us to be part of the camping scene. Follow outside, follow semua tentang camping.
Anyway, thank you for coming for our episode for today. It's an honor for us to have you guys over here. I mean, we also worked together a couple of times.
Yeah.
So, we appreciate what you guys are doing, and it's a good thing. Keep up the good work, and maybe after this we can talk about Aquascape lah. We do an episode about
different
Aquascape.
segment.
Yeah, you guys, we're gonna pull a vote later. You guys put over there, yes or no. We're gonna do an Aquascape. Okay, so thank you very much. Hope to see you guys again. Maybe can join you guys lah your next camping.
Boleh.
Invite me lah, please. I'm not a camper.